Hey guys, how's it going? I'll tell you what, it's a lovely day out here. So we finally got a week of rain, which we very much so needed, because you know the ponds were looking a little dry here down in Alabama. And it actually cooled down a little bit. So today we are dealing with a blistering 76-degree day. Don't get to say that very often. I think fall is finally upon us, which is great. Great news for us. So today the plan is to come out here after work and, well, hopefully the cool weather and the rain brought the big girls out. So we got some larger stuff that we're going to throw, and today's going to be a quality over quantity day. Let's see if we can make it happen. Alrighty, well, here's hoping that the audio is actually going to pick up today. Start this off.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Settle down, you behaviors. Here he goes. Stick. Ooh, weed. Ooh, more sticks. Ooh, it's upside down. Still upside. There we go. Right side up. Doo-doo. 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 No doo-doo. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Hope I don't get a bike. This is a very precarious area to be in. In the weeds. Out of the weeds. Upside down. On a stick. You like my commentary? They've been working on it. Alright, one more this way. Maybe two more this way. Do that. For the outlier. Where are you? I know you're there. I know you want the frog. You like the frog. You like that frog good. And the frog like you. And they're not digging this frog. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, oh no, did it come off? Oh no. Oh, 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 son of, oh, ah, anger. Oh, frustration. Ah, weeds stuck on line. Man. Ah, bugger. Well, you know what, guys, before it gets too dark, I might as well go ahead and end this one now. Man, it was a shame that last fish got off. I gotta figure out what I did wrong with that rabbit and how to rig those properly. I'm thinking I may need a hook with a little weight at the bottom to make sure it stays upright. And we don't have another issue like that, but guys, I know I said we came out here for monsters, and we didn't quite get monsters, but we did get something, so that makes it at least a good end of the work week. Well guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button over here, I hope. That's all I got for you guys in this one. That is all I've got for you guys in this one. As always, I will see you in the next one. Bye.